Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to October. Rich here on this Monday morning. It is the first day of October, 4 o'clock in the morning, and boy, oh boy, some drenching rains overnight for many of us. I don't know about your yard, but this yard had 0.92 inches in the overnight hours. I'm about to show you a map showing you that some places had a lot more than I did in the overnight hours, but that may be it. The atmosphere has been worked over, and after a very wet week last week, it looks like we're going to maybe a bone dry week this week. How long would that pattern last? We're going to take a look through the weekend and into next week as well for any signs of changes, any signs of a nice front in here. And by the way, we'll also look out at the tropics. The Western Caribbean may be a place to watch over the next few days and the week ahead. I'll show you why.
Just drenching rainfall in the overnight hours, and a surprise to see, some places, well, on this map, red is 2 to 3 inches, purple is 3 inches plus. Look at parts of Macon County, 4 to 5 inches. What a night we had. And that's really it, because we are going out of the wet pattern to a dry pattern with an upper high building above us at 20,000 feet, and that's going to suppress showers for the next few days. I've got the rain chances only at 20% today, and that's stretching it. Today's high temperature, 89. We had 93 yesterday with a heat index of 100. Tonight's low 71. So welcome to October, right? Tomorrow, showers will be hard to find. For the next several days, I've got the rain chances only about 10%. And again, that's just to leave in a small probability. Otherwise, it's going to be hot for October. And look at the upper high on Thursday, even getting stronger over the area, suppressing the number of showers and keeping the hot temperatures in place. I'm sure the folks that run the fair are glad to see that the rain chances are so tiny this week. Hot and dry on Thursday and through Friday, even a surface high building off the South Carolina coast on Friday. And look at Saturday. The upper high moves to just off the Carolina coast, but it remains strong in our area as well. So not much change in the overall pattern Saturday, with high temperatures around 90 and generally dry conditions. And I think that continues on Sunday as well. And even into next week, the upper high will still be strong and in place. That'll keep fronts out of here, nice fronts out of here, unfortunately. So the rain chances in the 10% range, and that's minimum on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. High temperatures 90 or above. That's your first week of October, folks, as extended summertime continues. Meanwhile, we go out into the tropics right now, and this National Hurricane Center map looks lonely and bare, with Leslie out there just spinning around, doing loops in the central Atlantic. We don't care about Leslie. However, wait a minute now. Over the next 5 to 6 to 7 days out here in the Western Caribbean, south of Cuba, and not too far from Jamaica, a 50 to 60% chance, according to the European, of a depression developing, perhaps. It shows maybe a little low-pressure area near the Yucatan Channel a week from today, on Monday the 8th. So this is kind of our backyard. Actually, it's the neighbor's backyard, if you will. That we'll be watching over the next several days to see where that goes. Stay on top of the tropics with our advanced weather app with interactive radar down to the neighborhood level, hourly forecast, 10-day forecast, free in the App Store. Good to have, the best one on the market. Go to the App Store, search Rich Thomas Weather.
So fairgoers are going to be happy that the rain chances are way down, and I'm sure the folks that run the Alabama National Fair, Randy and the whole bunch, will be happy to see that this year may be a year without rain at the Alabama National Fair. We'll be live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1 with Greg, Jay, Emily, and Bailey the Wonder Dog, who is out here wandering around this morning. Plus, Ryan Stinnett and I will be talking weather at 5:50 a.m. on TV. Watch us on CBS 8 and ABC 32. What's this talk about a bobblehead? We'll explain what that's all about as well. And another video for you first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. And when you're out and about, your forecast across the dial on 8 radio stations, the Blue Water family of stations. Stay cool today. It's going to be hot for the next several days. Welcome to October. I'll see you later.